welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see in the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my immune shots, immune booster shots, health shots, whatever you guys want to call it. COVID is spiking again, and not only COVID, like there's other viruses and flu and all that. So like just really within my household, we are like more on the healthy, natural side of things. So, you know, I just wanted to put a video out there about how to, not how to, but like, yeah, how to make the immune shots, but also to just put it out there to make you guys aware of, you know, just being healthy, eating healthy, and just really just keeping your immune system up. Because at the end of the day, it's all about your immune system. I don't care what kind of flu shot you guys take. I don't care what kind of COVID shot boosters. It's all about keeping your immune up. And as you guys know, COVID is spiking again, which is super, super scary. So I just wanted to like just put a video out there on my channel, because my channel, I'm steering it in the way of not just beauty and lifestyle, but also being healthy, because I just feel like being healthy is within and then it comes out, if that makes sense. So it's within and out. So I wanted to do more videos like these so my girls, babes, everyone could just be really health cautious. So these immune shots are super, super simple. These cute little glass bottles I actually ordered off Amazon. It's going to be in my Amazon storefront, which will be linked in my description box below. So we're just going to hop into this video so you guys can know exactly, so I can show you guys exactly how I make my immune shots. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna get into making these immunity shots. So I use 3 simple ingredients in my immunity shots. I use fresh turmeric. This is it. Do not get that confused with ginger. I know they totally look different, but some people do get it confused. So this is turmeric. This is ginger. A little green smoothie that I made earlier. And some juicing, Florida juice oranges. And of course, we're gonna go ahead and unbox my Amazon order. These are the little, I had ordered some, what do you call it? Like the little shot glasses, but not like shot glasses. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. So I ordered those so I can like have enough for throughout the week, because I do make these for my son. And even though he'd be like, oh, I don't wanna drink it, he's gonna drink it. And I'm actually gonna make my shots. I've been making my shots in my blender, because I do have a juicer, but this is my juicer. I never opened it. It's a brand new juicer. It was a gift. It's a big ass juicer, so this is why I haven't used my juicer yet, because my little tiny apartment, I'm waiting to move. When I move and I have all the space that I need, then I'll go ahead. It's like so much stuff that I have that I haven't even unboxed yet, because I'm really just waiting to move so I can just do all that good stuff. So I haven't used my juicer yet. I have a whole air fryer I haven't used yet. So lately I've just been using my blender, and it's been doing the work. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox these shot glasses so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. These glasses will also be on, did I say glasses? Yeah, glasses. I'm tripping. These glasses will actually be on my Amazon storefront. I'm going to link it in my description box per usual. Y'all know the deal. So let me see. How am I going to do this? Hold on. Okay. So let me probably just push these back so you guys can see up front. I'm just going to go ahead and cut this. And this is it. Glass juice shot bottles. That's the right name for it. Glass juice shot bottles. And it's an 8-pack. So this is what I use for, this is what I'm going to be using for my immunity shot, so I can just make like a week's supply. Normally we take like one a day. Sometimes I take 2 a day, like 1 in the morning, 1 at night. But otherwise it should be enough for the week. That's how it looks. Super, super cute. I like. I'm thinking, should I keep these little things? I'm gonna keep these. My son loves to pop those little. So these are how it looks. I'm not gonna take them out right now because I'm gonna actually show you guys how I make my immunity shots. And these shots are like so simple to make. 3 simple ingredients, very powerful. 3 simple but powerful ingredients. So of course I have my oranges. I don't think I'm making all of this because I don't have, my hands are clean, y'all. I don't have the juicer. I'm making it from my blender. So let me see. I can make all of these. Yeah, I probably do use all of these because they're so small. I'm just gonna use all of these. I'm gonna rinse them. Oops. I'm gonna rinse them. And then I'm going to throw a few turmeric in there. Probably 2 because it's very potent and it's very orange. And I'm actually going to use all these gingers. Like these are probably like the main ingredient is the ginger. So I'm going to peel my I'm going to peel my turmeric, but I'm just going to wash and blend my skin and everything from the ginger because yeah, that's how I do it. So let me put these turmeric back. Alright, so I'm just going to wash my oranges. Just a little rinse because I'm not gonna, it's not like it's a juicer where I can put everything in there. I'm actually gonna have to like peel them. So it's not like we're gonna be using the skin. The only skin that's gonna be kept on is the ginger. I'm actually gonna cut that up right now. So I can prepare it. Let me put this over here. So I'm gonna cut up my ginger. Yeah, I can't see me cutting it, but y'all hear me cutting it, right? So just cut them up like this, or you can cut them up tiny. But normally I just cut them up like a good amount size, and then I put my blender on chop, so it can kind of chop it up for me and do the rest, and then I put it on liquefy. So that's just how it goes. So actually, for the sake of this video, to make life easier, I have a lemon squeezer. So I'm actually just going to use my lemon squeezer. Let me put this down here. I'm going to use my lemon squeezer and just do this just to make time go by faster. So that's all I'm doing with these oranges, is just squeezing the juice. The turmeric and the ginger and the few pineapples that I threw in there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend.
She not a lesbian for peace, she turned lesbian. Push P, oh push a P. On capital P, I write the president, count presidents. Push P. Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a P. She let me squeeze and she leave, cause she keep the P. Private suite, privacy, bitch I'm pushing P. Purple paint, pussy pink, bitch I'm pushing P. Push P, oh push a P. Push a P, push a P. Yeah. Push a P, oh push a P. Push a P, push a P. Yeah. Pop a P, I'm paranoid. I keep sleep with pockets deep. Got rest on me, why they watching me? I'm push a P, oh push a P.